Hello traders and investors, I'm Pratik, co-founder of Serious Bulls and Bears. Before starting this video, I hope you have already watched previous 4 videos in which you will get a fair understanding of the stock market and how to select stocks before you start trading and investing. All the 4 videos are very important. So let's start with Serious Bulls and Bears, the virtual trading platform where you get to trade with real-time stock values on real stocks. So let's register to Serious Bulls and Bears. First of all, you don't need any PAN card or you don't have to be above 18 years of age. All you need are 3 things: username, email. Just hit the register button and as you can see, your registration is successful. Now we go to the home screen, hit the login. Use the same email and password. Hit the login button. Now for some technical knowledge, we will use a website called investing.com. So as you can see, this is really the ocean for stock market information. You can get all the information related to stocks here. I'm searching Reliance. So I'll select the Reliance NSE stock. And as you can see, all the information related to the stock is here. I'll go to the technical chart. As you can see here, we have the technical chart. I'll just expand it and I'll change the bar style to candles. Now if you're an aggressive trader, you would be requiring this information. I'll also change the time interval from 1 day to 1 minute. You can change it as you like, but if you're an aggressive trader, you would need a real-time changes. So these candles will reflect the change on per minute basis. Don't forget to change the time location. We are in India and so we will be using the Kolkata time. Now coming back to Serious Bulls and Bears, we will open the same stock here, Reliance. Here too we have all the information. Now the price here is 2083.15. Now let's check on investing.com. I'll just expand it. So let's now see the prices here. It's 2082.5 and on a platform also it's 2082.5. So now I'll take the example of HDFC Bank. And now let's visit HDFC Bank on a platform. As you can see, the prices shown here is 1026.45. I'll sell 10 shares. And now if we see here, I'll just set a support here quickly. I'll set the target. It seems the target has met. I'll refresh it and see the latest price. I'll just buy it. Now if we check the dashboard, every information is here. My portfolio, the total money I have in my account, and the information is refreshed. Now if I go to this section, I can see all the rooms here. What are the entry fees, what are the winning possibilities, and how much each rank holder will be able to win. If I select it, I'll have to scan the QR code. If you scan the QR code, we will get the payment and we will allow you to start the game. If you want to check the instructions, here all the instructions are there. You can visit this section anytime and check all the instructions. You can go back to compete. So this is the virtual trading account